Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today our topic English grammar, parts of speech, class 9th Hyderabad board and Federal board. Parts of speech. 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. Noun, word that names a person, a place, a thing, an idea. An idea. Kinds of noun. Common nouns, boy, girl. Proper nouns, John, Mary. Singular nouns, boy, girl. Plural nouns, boys, girls. Singular possessives, boys, girls, boys, girls. Action. The verb, a word that expresses action or otherwise helps to make a statement. Action. Linking. Be verbs and taste, feel, sound, look, appear, become, seem, grow, remain, stay. Every sentence must have verb, kinds of verb. Action verbs. Action verbs expresses mental or physical action. Linking verbs make a statement by connecting the subject with a word that describes or explains it. He rode the horse to victory. He has been sick. He has been sick. The pronoun. The pronoun is a word used in place of noun or more nouns. It may be stand for a person, place, thing, or idea. Personal pronoun: I, me, mine, you, your, yours, she, her, hers, it, its, we, us, our, ours, they, them, their, theirs, myself, yourself. Indefinite pronouns: anybody, each, either, known, someone, one, etc. Demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, those. Interrogative pronouns: who, whom, that, which, whose. The adjective modify or describes a noun or pronoun. Answer these questions. Did you lose your address book? Which is that? A whole sweater? What kind? Just give me 5 minutes. How many? The adverb modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Answers the questions. He ran quickly. How? She left yesterday. When? We went there. Where? It was too hot. To what degree or how much? Kinds of adverb. Interrogative adverbs introduce questions. How? How did you break your leg? When? When does your plane leave? How often? How often do you run? Where? Where did you put the mouse trap? The preposition. A preposition introduced a noun or pronoun or phrase or clause functioning in the sentences as a noun. The word or word group that the preposition introduced, it is object. They received a postcard from Bobby telling about his trip to Canada. The preposition never stands alone. Preposition, noun, pronoun, object, preposition. You can place those leaves under glass. Can have more than one object. Her telegram to Nana and Ralph brought good news. Object can have modifiers. It happened during the last examination. Some common prepositions: about, above, behind, belong, beneath, between, beyond, by, down, from, in, into, lack of, throughout, towards, under, up, with, without. The conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins word or groups of word, and either or, but neither, no. The interjection is an exclamatory words that express emotion. Goodness, what a cute baby! Wow, look at that sunset. More later. That's all for now.